That's it. It's going to be an interesting question. I think that there are people that just have a big machine and can always raise money, and I just think investors have to ask the questions on, what did you learn from your mistakes, or even if you're being honest about your mistakes. I think apartments will always be a desirable class, asset class to invest in because of their perceived stability. Uh, but I think it's about managing the investor returns. Syndicators make money on promote, and I just don't see how that's going to happen as readily or as easily as it has, over the last 10, 12 years in today's market, unless unless everyone's saying, the Federal Reserve over the next 3 years is going to cut rates 300 basis points, and we're going to get cap rates going to go back down to where they were. If I were an investor, I got to think twice about that. You fool me once, shame on me. You fool me twice, they say shame on me.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Be a little bit more conservative. Apartments will stay full. It's a question on staying power, how well capitalized the deals are, to make sure that they have longevity, to make sure they can continue their occupancy. But again, if you're a new investor, I think you should look at something that's more triple net, a multi-tenant triple net investment. Retail, maybe, maybe not, depending on neighborhood shopping center, grocery anchored. Yeah, maybe. There are enough of those out there, but they're hard to finance. But I think there are opportunities, and you just have to be eyes wide open. Where I think a lot of investors who did early syndications made a lot of money and just did a lot less or no due diligence in the last couple of deals because they say what could go wrong.
No doubt. Yeah, some hard lessons being learned right now. Unfortunately, for a lot of operators in the industry. And so, Irwin, I want to transition to a few final questions. And
Sure.
what's your best source right now for meeting new investors as you all grow your investor base?
We do. I attend a lot of conferences, and some of it's word of mouth. I'm an older American, and I'm not much on this social media stuff. So this is all new to me. We did. I am doing some outreach to through LinkedIn, which people tell me it works. It's interesting. At least I'm getting to get reacquainted with 15,000 people I'm connected to, some of which I haven't spoken to in 10 years, and see what's going on in their world. We are building a funnel to try to market new investors.